Have you ever seen that Tom Hanks movie Castaway, when he's finally able to start a fire? Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be learning how to start one. Stick around. Alright everybody, we're back. And as you can see, I've got my little cotton round there with petroleum jelly, and some magnesium shavings are on it. I'm pretty sure you can't see it right now. And off to the side, I have some wood that I broke down as kindling, and I've also got some fat wood here if I need it. So let's see if we can get this going with the ferro rod. Oh, screw this. I'm going to use my good old trustworthy Gerber LMF2. There we go. Got it on the first try. That works. Alright, what do you say we get some kindling on it? Get that good and going. Let's get some of this fat wood going here. Alright, so far we've still got some flame there, which is good. Just got to keep this going. Here we go. I could probably do a much better job with this, but hey, we've got some fire going. That's the important thing. And please, by all means, tell me what I'm doing right, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Make sure you comment in the comment section below. Please, I would really appreciate that, because like all of you, I'm still learning all this stuff. There's not much out here in the desert Southwest in way of kindling and stuff like that, but like I said, the important thing is we've got some fire going. We just got to keep it lit. And this right here is a little bit of fat wood. I could have gotten it naturally, but I had no choice. I had to go to the store to be able to get it. Namely, Walmart. Man, I certainly hate going to Walmart. How about you? Let me know what you think of that store for now. But hey, for being just a beginner at this, I think we're doing pretty good. What do you think? Alright everybody, we will be back because I want to make sure that this thing gets good and going, because besides learning how to get a fire started, I came out here with another purpose to do with this fire, and you'll soon see what it is. We'll be right back. Back everybody, as you can see, we were able to get ourselves a good roaring fire there. I can feel the heat. Well, of course I can because I'm standing pretty close. But another reason I came out here to do this is because I'm a patriot. I love my country. Country above politics, country above party. So, I fly an American flag from the back of my car every single day because I love my country. And when your flag gets old, torn, tattered, faded, it's time to properly dispose of it. And the way to do that is to burn it. So that's another reason I came out here tonight. So that way I could properly dispose of this flag and show it the respect and the reverence that it deserves, and also for the people that have fought and died for this flag. So to our veterans out there, thank you very much for your service. I certainly do appreciate it. So let's do what we got to do. So here we are. The fire is still going pretty good, and with the respect and reverence it deserves, we've burned my old tattered, worn, faded, torn up American flag. So I think we did a pretty good job for this being my first time, really lighting a fire like this. So once again, any constructive criticism, compliments, whatever, please put them in the comment box below. And always remember, when it comes to a fire, whether it's a survival situation or you're just out enjoying the wilderness, with the fire, if it's too hot to touch, it's too hot to leave it. So do whatever you need to do to make sure that this thing is completely out. You pour water on it. You drown it with dirt. Starve it of oxygen. Hell, if you have to, use the bathroom on it. You just don't want to leave these things burning, because you don't want anything bad to happen. So, until the next video, I'm Ken, this is the Beginner Survivalist. Please like, comment, and subscribe, it would really help. We'll catch you in the next video. Keep it frosty.